Hey guys, welcome back to Knifewear. Today we're talking about the Gyuto. Before we start, don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and press that bell button for that notification. So, the Gyuto in Japanese means cow sword. Even though you hear the word cow, this knife can still do everything. It's the typical chef's knife. You can do vegetables, meat, fruit. Usually you can find this knife most commonly in between 180 to 240 millimeters. Sometimes some companies make 300, but the usual is in between 210 and 240. This one in particular is the Harashi Kisoba. It's made out of ZA18 stainless steel. It's got a really nice European handle. It's very familiar. This Damascus is really pretty as well. Great knife for a beginner. This is the Fujiwaranishiji, made by the OG of Japanese knives. It's got a white carbon core with stainless steel cladding. This guy is liked by everyone who works here at Knifewear. This one's a new one from nigerhamono. This is made out of R2 powdered stainless steel. It's got a really cool handle material. It's got that kurochi finish and a hammered pattern on it. This one over here is made by Masashi-san. This is a really cool knife. I love the kurochi finish. I love the Damascus. I love how the handle feels in the hand. It's a 240 Gyuto. You can't go wrong with this guy. This one's made by Moritaka Hamono. They've been making knives for about 700 years, 27 generations. They've got a really cool ishime or stone face finish over here. And I love the red paka and cherry wood handle on this guy over here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down if you want to see more content. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel as well for more cool videos about Japanese knives. See you next time.